I'm the Employment and Training Director for the New Cap Agency and the WIOA training program. Are you thinking about updating your skills or training to advance in employment, or are you seeking employment in another occupation or finding a job? The New Cap Agency WIOA, or Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, will help you with your decision making, employment search, resume making, and that may assist with also tuition, training, books, costs, maybe for childcare, transportation. If you are at all interested, stop at your local job center or contact me for the eligibility guidelines and application process, and we will start your new adventure and possible new employment. Could be the person most recently was a single parent who was dislocated or laid off from her job after 25 years and decided that she always wanted to be a nurse, was the opportunity. The old saying, one door opens or one door closes, another one will open. And after 4 years of training and studies, she is now employed as full-time as an RN at one of our local hospitals in Green Bay.